The next part of the process after reverse ASIN lookup is the keyword search. So Helium 10 has another really fantastic tool called Magnet, which is found third down from on the left side menu. We're going to go ahead into Magnet, and what Magnet does is it will let you put in one keyword, and then it'll find all the other related keywords to that keyword based on which products rank for that keyword, and then what other keywords those products rank for. Sort of similar to a reverse ASIN, it knows relationships between keywords and products. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to go back to our seed keywords, and we're going to plug in vegan protein powder into Magnet and press get keywords. And I've done this search before, but we're going to do a new search here. And so take your number one search term, your number one seed term, and go ahead and do the same right now into Helium 10, into the Magnet tool. And similarly, the free version of this will give you a very limited number of results. You won't be able to sort them or download them really. So again, highly recommend getting the paid full version of it. Absolutely worth its weight in gold. So what we have here is vegan protein. You'll see that for the exact term that you entered in, you'll get the stats in this first box here. So it has 52,000 searches a month. You can ignore these two stats for now. We've also pulled up almost 5,500 related keywords to vegan protein powder. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to download this into an Excel. And again, it can take a little while depending on how much data is there. So go ahead and do that. And when it finishes running, go ahead and open it up. So go ahead and do that for the first seed keyword that you had. And once you have that ready to go, do the same thing we did before. So everything from column D to the right, so sponsored ASINs and then everything to the right, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to delete those columns. We don't need them now. And then the same thing for the Magnet IQ score. Go ahead and delete that. So all we want here is the actual keyword and the search volume. And now these two column headings, phrase and search volume, they already were put in on our previous download, so we don't need those anymore. So we can go ahead to start in the second line down and then copy all those keywords, so just like 5,300 of them here. And we're going to copy those, and then we're going to go all the way to the very bottom of that initial download, and we're just going to Control V or paste these keywords in below here. Excellent. Make sure to be saving your progress along the way. Now the final piece, we have one more seed keyword. So we have plant-based protein. And I'm sure there are going to be a lot of overlapping keywords here, and that is completely fine. We'll get rid of those duplicates. So go ahead and do that search for another seed keyword. And if you have 3 seed keywords, please go ahead and repeat it 3 times, or if you really want 4 times. We're going to end up removing duplicates, so there's no confusion. But we want to make sure we're capturing as many relevant keywords as possible from the get-go. So here we finished with plant-based protein, and you can see they're a little bit different here. BCAA chocolate, we didn't have that before with our vegan protein powder. Burt's Bees. I thought Burt's Bees was excellent. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to export that again to Excel. And once that's ready, we're going to go ahead and open it up. And just like we've done before, just get rid of every single thing to the right of search volume. Get rid of column B, the IQ score. And we're going to copy everything on down and copy it over to our main list. Okay, fantastic. So now at this point we have, just to recap, we figured out our 2 seed keywords. We've done a reverse ASIN search for the top ranking organic listings currently, which will be our future competitors or our current competitors. And we have done a keyword search of our seed keywords using Helium 10's magnet tool. So now what we need to do is identify our top 100 keywords.